This is one of the easiest thing you will ever sew, a shirt patch pocket. You need to cut out a rectangular piece of fabric. I have 7.5 inches by 6 inches cut out. I will start by prepping my pocket, so I will be folding in 0.5 inch. I'll give it a good press and I'll also use my clapper to crease the line. Once I am done, I will then fold over again to get 1 inch. So this is the top part of the pocket. I'm also going over again with my iron and also with the clapper. For the side, I will be folding in 0.5 on both sides and also on the bottom parts of the pocket. Here's the pocket taking shape already. After sewing, I'll be having 5.5 by 5 inches. The length will be 5.5 while the width will be 5 inches. The next step is to take it to the sewing machine to sew. So pay attention here. As you can see, I am folding the 1 inch part outward. I'm folding it towards me and matching the crease line together. I'll sew from the top to the folded part on both sides. After sewing, you should have it looking like this. Now I'm folding it in, turning it to the right side, and I'll use my seam ripper to push out the corners. And the next step will be to top stitch. This is the left side of the shirt pieces. I'm just giving it a light press before marking where I will be placing the patch pocket. From the shoulder, I will be measuring 7 inches downward and I'll mark. And from the button stand, from after the button stand to the armhole, I will also mark the midpoint. So the pocket will be centered around the button stand and the armhole. Okay, so whatever I have there, the pocket will be in between the line. Now I'll place my pocket, so the midpoint of the pocket will be placed on the midpoint of the line I just drew. And I'm just pinning the pocket to the shirt before taking it to my sewing machine to sew them together. So this is it. I'm just trying to make sure everything is smooth, and like I said at the beginning of the video, this is the easiest thing you will ever sew. Anyone could literally sew this even if you've never sewn before. And this is me sewing on my sewing machine, so do not forget to back stitch and just sew. Take this part easy because it's a patch pocket and whatever mistake you make will be visible on the pocket. Okay, so when you get to the end, you raise up the foot and just turn the fabric over to sew, and make sure to push every thread and every visible seam inward before sewing. So this is it for this tutorial. It is very easy, very beginner friendly. And yeah, so this is it. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.